guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer and I post beauty and fashion content. So if you like those types of videos, definitely hit that big red subscribe button down below and join the family. I have a really fun video for you guys today. I talked a few times over TikTok and in my previous YouTube videos that I've been really wanting to try the brand Louise this year, so I decided to sign up for her beauty box, and the May beauty box was the first one that I received. So I am going to share with you guys the contents of the May beauty box. So if you want to see what I picked up, then keep on watching. So I am going to take a few things out of their boxes just to kind of save on time. So the first thing in the box is this highlighter. This is called Skin Bling. That's the highlighter name. But then the actual shade is by Babe, and it looks like this. It is so beautiful and blinding, and I'm definitely going to swatch it for you guys. This says, if I'm your plan B, then baby, you're my plan buy. And it's a really soft formula, which I love. I mean, look at that. It's so beautiful. So here is the swatch on the back of my hand. It's really beautiful. I love the formula. It doesn't feel like glitter or any chunkiness to it. It's very buttery smooth. Let me grab some on a brush and try it on my skin. Let me pull the mirror. Let's do a little on the nose. So here is what it looks like. It is so pretty. It's very subtle, but I love it. And moving on to the next item that I got in the budget box is this palette right here. It's called Shut Up and Kiss Me. It is her lipstick palette, and I don't know if she retails this or if it's unique to the budget box, because I know some of the products that go in the budget box are unique to the subscription only. But here are the shades. It's kind of like your neutral go-to lipstick palette. It's so pretty, and there's definitely a perfect nude shade for everybody. I don't have anything on my lips right now except for lip liner, so I do want to try this. So let me just find a lip brush real quick. Okay, so here's one. So I think I'm such a nude girl. I think I'm gonna try this one right here and see what it's like. They are also all cream lipsticks. There are no mattes in this palette. Oh yeah, this is so my shade. So here is what the lipstick looks like on. It's definitely my shade. I love a brown nude lipstick, and the formula is very lightweight. It almost is lighter than a lip balm. It really doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. It's very comfortable, and again, since it's a cream, it is on more of the hydrating side. So far so good with the lipstick palette. Next up is her Bad Bitch Energy. It is in the shade Milk in It. And this has a lip oil and a lip conditioner inside. So let me open them up and show you what they look like. So here is what the lip conditioners look like. They are so cute, and I love the fact that she has it on a keychain so you can attach it to your purse, your wallet, your keys, wherever, so that way you always have a lip balm with you. And this is again in the shade Milking It, and let's see, it is just a clear lip balm, as you can see right here. And then this one is the lip oil. I love the packaging and the little crown around it. And let's see. This is clear as well. So I think that they are all clear. It's just a scented product. But I will say I absolutely love how large the doe foot is, because I feel like it's way easier to apply. And just by swatching it on my hands, I can tell that the formula is kind of interesting. One thing that I noticed about her lip oils is the formula itself is a little bit thicker than a traditional lip oil, but because they are a lip oil, you don't get that stickiness that you do get from a gloss. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds, and it's very, very hydrating. It also smells incredible. It smells just like chocolate. So this is definitely going in my purse. The last item that was in this month's budget box is the cheek of it. It is her viral blushes right now, her liquid blushes. And this is in the shade Sun-Kissed Miss. And let me see if I can get it going so I can swatch the color for you guys. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So here is the shade of blush. It's a really, really beautiful coral color. I feel like on the monitor, it's coming up slightly more pink than it is in person. In person, it's more of a true coral, but it's absolutely beautiful, and just blending it out, it's so easy. So this is what it looks like blended out a little bit more. It's really, really beautiful. The formula is very soft. I can feel that it's very hydrating, and it's not drying down too quickly. I don't like liquid blushes that dry super quickly, because then you start to panic and you can't get it blended, or they get patchy, it gets weird. This one is such a good formula. I cannot wait to try this. So those were the 4 items that I received in the May budget box. I'm really excited to play with them more and see how they wear. But I also did place another order, and they just happened to get delivered at the same time. I ordered her Blend Away palette, and I wanted to share it with you guys in case you were eyeing this palette, because the color swatches on the computer just do not do it justice. It is 10 times more gorgeous in person. So this is what the palette looks like. It is so huge and so pretty. And then you open it up. So here is what the palette looks like. It is absolutely stunning. The middle section that kind of has more of the peachy, corally, pinky shades. Those colors in particular are much more vibrant in person. It's not picking it up that well on camera, but let me swatch a couple of these shades for you because they are stunning. The colors that are on my eyes today are actually all from this palette. I have been loving it and just playing with some color now that it's spring or summertime. So here are some of the shades swatched. They are absolutely beautiful, and I love how they change in the light. The formula is very, very buttery. Even her mattes are extremely buttery and easy to blend. They don't get patchy, they don't feel dry. I've really, really been loving her palettes recently. This is only the second one, and I have another one coming. I just can't stop ordering from Louise. I'm on a kick right now because everything I've tried so far, I've genuinely loved, and it just makes me want to order more. But this palette is absolutely beautiful. So if you love the neutrals, you like pinks or coral tones, definitely pick up this palette. It is worth it, and there's definitely a color in here for every occasion. So again, this palette was not part of the budget box, but everything else that I mentioned first was. I just wanted to share the palette with you because I've been loving it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't checked out Louise yet, definitely check them out. I love her stuff, and I find it to be pretty affordable, especially for the quality. And if you're looking for a really good bargain, then definitely jump on the budget box because you get some really, really good things. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.